Right, welcome back to another comparison video. Today we are looking at PUPRIME versus Saxo. Thank you everyone for commenting down below with the broker you want me to do a comparison with. Make sure you do that in this video as well, and I'll pick the winner for next video. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, guys, so up first is PUPRIME. Okay, so PUPRIME, what we can see, traded with a trusted and regulated world-leading broker that offers more than trading. Okay, so that's exactly what you want with a broker. Make sure they're regulated, make sure they are trusted. Okay, they have over 300,000 active clients, 1,000 plus trading products, multiple regulatory licenses, a complete 24/7 customer support, and over 200 countries served. Now, one of the biggest things for me with PUPRIME is you can follow and copy their master traders. Okay, so this is a sample of their app. This is obviously the home screen, but where you can sign up or log in. And then once you're inside, this is exactly what it will look like. Obviously, the names will be slightly different, but you can see the most copied. For example, this one has 300 copiers and his return of investment is 120% in 3-month period. Okay, you can also see their highest annual return, and you can see exactly how many people are following that professional. Okay, so they are trusted by traders, all proven by their reviews and updates from Google Play, App Store, Trustpilot, and also Google website. Now, this is one of the biggest points for me, and it's the spreads of the market. Okay, so looking at the spreads, we can see they cover metals, commodities, shares, forex, indices, bonds, and ETFs. Okay, so with gold being the metal, a spread of 1.3. That is unheard of. Like, we've done other comparisons where gold spread was 25, 26, maybe some as low as 18. But the 1.4 on gold is just unreal. If you don't know what spreads are, it basically means once you press that buy button, it will move your price by the end of the spread. So for example, you're only being moved by, it's just changed to 0.5 of a pip. That's just one movement in the market. Whereas obviously some other brokers, they have up to 25, which means if you're here, you're being put in 25 pips ahead, which obviously can be a big problem. Now, as you can see, these are all very low. Even Euro USD, which is one of the highest liquidity forex pairs out there, is less than 1 pip. Okay, so as we go down, we can see that they have multiple different platforms as well, which is PUPRIME app, MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, and also WebTrader. So it's obviously building up to a bigger client base because they're covering a lot of different platforms. Okay, they also do have trading knowledge, which is like your trading inserts, your expert knowledge, etc. They have a whole academy up in the learn section. We can see here education, PUPRIME Academy, quiz, webinar, video, tutorial, and ebooks. Okay, you can get a live account and a demo account as well. Okay, now if we were to look over at the competitor, this is Saxo with their quote, be invested. Okay, so this is where your money wants to be. They're saying you can invest in stocks, EFT, funds, or bonds. It's their simplified yet powerful platform with low and transparent commissions. So we'll take a look at that. Obviously, this on the right hand side is showing their app, I take it. Yep, so you can see that they're obviously going through different things. Now, what you can see here as well is access the widest range of investment products available in the UK. Price your love, low cost, no hidden fees. Your money's safe with a trusted broker. Initiative platform with helpful tools and insight. Okay, so what we can see is they only do stocks, bonds, ETFs, and funds. And also they are doing futures, forex, CFDs, and commodities. So they are actually covering a lot of the basis, but they look like they are more of a stock platform the way they're advertising it. Okay, so we can see prices are low fees, more investing power, low commissions, no inactivity fee, and no minimum initial funding. Commissions from GBP, so I'm guessing that is £3 and $1 for US stocks. Okay, currency conversion is 0.25%. And as we go down, they have multiple different accounts and investment accounts that you can look into. And you can optimize your strategy with the right platform and tools. So they do have multiple different platforms. If we check them out, they offer free Saxo Investor, Saxo Trader Go, and Saxo Trader Pro. Okay, their reputation is built on trust. They have over 30 years of experience, proven stability, and a human support network. Stay ahead of trends and market news as well, with latest highlights, and also you're investing in a few easy steps by simply creating your account, get verified, log in, and fund your account, and then start investing. There we have it, guys. That was PUPRIME versus Saxo. Now, personally for me, I feel PUPRIME definitely have way more options, have a lot more security focused and trusted, and also having those different platforms that, let's be honest, a lot of people know, love, and heard of. MetaTrader 4 and 5, plus their copy trading platform, plus their academy. I just feel they throw it out of the park for this one. Saxo looks very good if you're into stocks and bits and pieces like that. However, obviously compare them both, because what you don't want to do is just jump into an advertisement that is just promoting stocks. Obviously, make sure you do your due diligence. Links will be down in the description. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.